Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy credits on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. First, launch the Marvel Snap game. Tap on the credits icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, browse through the available options and select the amount of credits you want to buy. Each package will show the number of credits and the cost in gold bars. Simply tap on the gold bar icon to purchase the credits. Finally, tap on the gold bar icon again and confirm your purchase. And this is how you can buy credits on Marvel Snap. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.